So this is your Chaplin neck lift progression. The goal of the exercise is to increase the strength on the front side of your neck so your head doesn't feel so heavy, and once your neck feels protected, your neck pain will go away. So a couple of key principles about this exercise. There are two different parts of your neck. You have your upper cervical spine, which is the very top part, the first two, and then you have the rest of your spine, which is called your lower cervical spine. As we do this, the goal is to keep your chin tucked to your throat, and then you're gonna move your head backwards. But the key to do this throughout the duration of the exercise is to keep the chin to the throat at all times. Also, when you're doing this, we wanna make sure that your tongue is on the roof of your mouth or behind your two front teeth to keep your jaw in a nice relaxed position. Last but not least, it's really important that we breathe through this exercise. Super important. So let's go through it. So you're gonna find something like a bench, a chair, a couch, off your bed. All those areas are a great place to do this exercise. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lie on our backs with our head lying off the edge of it. So I'm here, my shoulder blades are supported, but my head is not. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my pelvis rounded to keep my back flat against the table in this situation. From here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hands and put them behind my head, just like this. For demonstration purposes, I'm gonna take this hand away so you can see what I'm doing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna think about bringing my chin to my throat. The tongue's on the roof of my mouth, nice relaxed position. And then from here, I'm gonna use my arms as little as I need because I want my neck to be doing the work. Now I'm gonna keep my chin to my throat. Now I'm gonna let my lower cervical spine extend backwards. And then I'm gonna pull myself back up by keeping my chin tucked to my throat, and I'm pulling myself back up. As we come down, we wanna take a deep breath in. You'll notice that this part of your ribcage, the front part, starts to rise. That's exactly what we're looking for. As we exhale, we're gonna pull ourselves back up. This part of your ribcage drops down. Deep breath in. Go as far back as you can, keeping your chin tucked to your throat. Exhale. The next step is we simply take your arms away. So I'm here, keep the chin tucked to the throat, deep breath in. Going as far as we can, exhale. Still keeping our pelvis rolled back, deep breath in. Chest rises, head drops back, chin stays to throat, exhale. Come back up. Now, the final part of this progression, once you're able to do 3 sets of 20 of these rather easily, is we're gonna use a kettlebell or some sort of weighted progression, whether that's a dumbbell or a kettlebell. So, gotta take the glasses off. Here, I'm gonna place this kettlebell on my forehead. So this weight needs to be on the lighter side. So what we're gonna do, same exact position, shoulders are supported, neck's off the edge, tuck the chin to the chest, or to the throat rather. Kettlebell goes on to the forehead. From here, tongue on the roof of the mouth, deep breath in. Get a nice belly breath or chest breath. Always keeping the chin to the throat. So this is going to be a 3-step progression. So again, we start with the hands behind our head, then we take the hands away, make the neck do all of the work, and then if we want to load it up, we're going to add a small weight, whether that be a dumbbell or a kettlebell. And that's how